Hey guys, welcome to another video on Brand Device where we talk about business and finance. My name is Bharat, and in this video I wanted to share with you a quick cost update that we received from Scalable Capital, and that is the trading volumes. The minimum trading volumes are now reduced to 0. So how exactly this changes everything? Because we know that Scalable Capital has different kind of options that you can choose so that you are incentivized to trade more or trade less. So if you want to trade more, you can choose a subscription plan, or if you're trading less anyways, then you can just have the free broker where you don't have to pay any kind of monthly fee. So I'll take you to the screen now, show different kind of options, what exactly changed. But for everybody, if you're making any trades below 250 euros, now you can do it, but it costs 99 cents. So overall, now it has become a better offer that you generally get than Trade Republic. I still miss some kind of features from Trade Republic, like the dividend yield and the information or like news about the companies and stuff, but hopefully they will be adding that too, because like I said, I've seen them do really nice things and they're definitely going into the right direction. So I'm happy to have my over 100,000 euros portfolio on Scalable Capital, and this is why I also like talking about them so much, because I'm using that service. I absolutely love it, and this is something that you guys can get benefit from too. So let's finally go to the screen now. So about the costs and stuff, right? Because like this is what we wanted to discuss. If you're having a free broker, so free broker on the website looks like this, and you can do the details for glycation and everything like that, but like, you know, you can do it later. It's not a problem. The main thing is like here you have completely free ETF trades. You have 99 cents per trade for stocks, and you have free savings plan. Like these are three very nice things here, but the savings plan were still for 25 euros per month. This is a nice thing now, that if you see that a stock has fallen down and you want to really buy it at that specific price, then for 99 cents you can directly buy that at that price, even for an amount of 10 euros, 20 euros, 30 euros whatsoever. So this is very nice that you have the minimum trading volume now set to 0 euros, and you can also see it directly on the website here. So now let's go to the next thing. If you have prime ETFs, because we know that Scalable Capital has prime ETFs, and those are the ETFs from three companies: Invesco, iShares, and Xtrackers. If you're saving in those prime ETFs, like that is anyways going to be always free. So like the 600 ETFs that you have from these three companies, that you can save for without any kind of additional costs. Also, like, you know, in savings plan, you also have free, let's say, trading. So like buying and selling above the volume of 250 euros for the prime ETFs. Then if you want to trade below 250 euros, then you have 99 cents per trade. Then also the savings plan are still completely for free. So you can have 599, 600 different kind of ETFs running, which I don't think it's a good idea, because it depends on how much money you have when you want to like invest. My idea is generally, if you're having like around 500 euros or something, I would not diversify it. I would just like choose one broad fund and directly put my money inside there. When you're going towards 1000 euros, then it starts making sense that you are like, you know, putting it into two different funds with different kind of, let's say, ratio, 70, 30, 50, 50, whatever you feel like. So they're like, you can prioritize. Do you want to like invest more in growth stocks, or do you just want to, let's say, invest in dividends, or you want to just diversify for the retirement? Then another nice thing here is that you are anyways having the free prime partners, but you're also having one extra stock saving plan or one extra ETF saving plan, which could be from Vanguard or like, you know, other kind of like offerings that they're having. Or you could be like making a savings plan for Tesla. Well, it's still at a good price right now. Like things have dropped quite significantly. You see the news of Michael Burry actually shorting Tesla, but Cathy Wood still being like very bullish for Tesla. I mean, makes sense. Her entire fund is essentially built around Tesla. So it would be interesting to see how it pans out in the future. But like my idea still is that I don't see any other company like planning for so much disruption and innovation like Tesla is doing. So I still invested another 10,000 euros recently in Tesla. So I'm sitting at around 60,000 euros invested. So I'm still hopeful. And I think if one of the companies that I would like to own, I think that would definitely be one of this. Like I would like to buy the car too, but I think buying the car just like loses value in time. But I think if you have a stock, and with the price predictions and their plans, if it hits 3,000 US dollars per stock price after split till 2025, which is the price predictions right now, then of course like that is going to be very nice, and you can get a nice 6x or something still on the money that you're putting inside. Then you have Prime Broker, right? So Prime Broker is the other option on Scalable Capital, where you have all of the free features, of course. Then you have completely free stock trading, and you have yearly payments for this. And like this turns out to be around like 35 euros $1.88, something like that. And you can also test it for free for 1 month. So that's pretty nice. Then here you have, of course, all of the trades anyways for free, and all of the prime ETFs, all of that stuff is for free. But you have on volumes below 250 euros, there you have to still pay 99 cents. So that is an interesting part. But I think if you are doing trading anyways, like generally it's in high volumes, because if you're like doing such tiny trades, what happens is you're also like losing a lot of money in spreads. What is spread? Whenever you're buying a stock, the price that you see actually of the stock is going to be different than the price that you will actually end up paying because of the so-called spread. So this is the difference between the buy price and the actual bid price. That's why like you have this kind of like, additional, let's say 10 cents, 20 cents, whatever, depending on whatever kind of like stock you're trying to buy. So 10, 20, I'm talking about like, Tesla generally. Somehow like the liquidity for the Tesla stock is still pretty nice. So the spreads generally that you see, it is not so bad. And also especially when you're trading between the standard Xetra times, which is like, from 15:30 to I think like 17, something like that. All of the different kind of even small exchanges, they have their prices directly linked to Xetra. So that is also like super nice. So this is essentially what it is. Like if you take a look at my portfolio, we have around like 106,495 euros, and Tesla like took a big hit like recently. So we were at the all-time high of almost like 726 euros. It went down till 407 I think I even saw 460 or something. I don't know, it's not showing right now, could be different. But right now it's like 4,000 euros in minus because my purchasing has been different. But there was also another problem. So when I did the depot Übertrag, or like when I took my depot from like Trade Republic to Scalable Capital, all of the purchase prices changed. So they changed to the day when the actual, this depot transfer took place. So it's not showing the correct prices. Like as far as I understand, like I'm still in positive. Like I was still able to buy Tesla at around 400 euros or something. So that was like not bad price. And I think this is, it's happening for all of the other companies that I bought too. So I'm not so worried because anyways, it's just like something that is on the books, but otherwise like you have a nice decent profit there. One company that I'm really looking forward to buy is like, more of SL Green Realty, because I do believe that this is like the home office thing. I think like this is still going to be not so permanent because people miss being in the office. Many people do, like this feeling of working together as a team. I don't think you can get it in work from home. Plus, like I've talked to many of my friends and like also I talk to my employees and stuff. Generally in work from home, you end up working longer than you would have actually in the offices where you have your fixed 8 hours, 9 hours whatsoever. Then you go back home, you have your free time. But if you're working from home and you have no separation between when is your personal time and when is your work time, then it just like, really drains you out in the longer run. So I'm happy that SL Green Realty, like they are the largest like, office space owners in New York and Manhattan. So once things get better, I'm like looking forward to like their price shooting up back and their monthly dividends. I think like this is the one reason I really want to have them in the portfolio and want to like, increase the position there, because it is a nice cash flow. Instead of like going ahead and buying a real estate property myself and do all of the maintenance and stuff, I'm just going to like put the money inside here. But we are going to see how the inflation and stuff, pans out, because those are also growing concerns right now. If anything happens at all, like what our plan is right now still to like have a real estate company. I'm going to make a company in Romania for real estate, and then I'm going to buy a few apartments. So apartments, if you're buying studio apartments, it's still not so expensive in Romania. I think like for 80,000 euros, you can get a very nice studio apartment in a fancy building, and like VAT comes around like 19%, the same like Germany. So you end up paying like 100,000 euros for one studio apartment, but you can rent it out for almost 550 or like 500 euros. So like I think there are very nice opportunities right now in Romania. So I will be like focusing there, not in Germany at all, because finding good deals is a lot more difficult in Germany than like, when you see in Romania. So these were my thoughts. I hope you liked this video. I just wanted to share with you this quick update about the cost, which is changing for Scalable Capital, and that you can now start trading from just €0, which is a massive change. I was talking about this all the time, that I see them going towards this direction because they have been trying to reduce the order volumes. So I'm definitely happy in the direction that they're going in, and I'm looking forward to like further having my depot with them. If you haven't yet opened your depot with Scalable Capital, you can use my affiliate link given in the description below. There I have also made a step-by-step video on how you open your account with Scalable Capital if you would need any kind of help with that. With the affiliate link, you support the channel without any kind of additional cost to you. You don't pay a single cent more, no any kind of like extra trading fee whatsoever, but we just get a provision for bringing you to the company. So use my affiliate link below, and if you have any kind of questions whatsoever, you can write to me on Instagram. There I'm more active than like YouTube, because I see YouTube is not controlling any kind of like spam bots which are writing in the comments below. So I'm not like responding. I don't want people to get confused. Anyways, you will always see a highlighted, name on my channel when I'm commenting, but do not like just send messages to any kind of weird WhatsApp numbers and things like that. I never give out my number like that. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.